This time around I'm going to show you how to change your Mazda2's key fob battery.
HiroshimaSpirit!
Just open up your key and you're going to be looking for a small slot right about in here, and there's a little clip inside that you're going to want to push. Something small and solid like a paper clip will do fine. I've got this little drill bit. We're going to go right down into that hole, press, and release. Now to access the battery, you want to take this piece, flathead screwdriver right in here, press down, separate the two pieces, and there you have your battery. For reference, the size is CR1620. Just gonna pop that bad boy out and replace. Positive side down. And it's just that simple. And that's all there is to it, folks. I know there are dozens of other videos just like this on YouTube, but I'm hoping I made a better one, and I'm hoping people will see mine first when they search. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Just gonna pop that bad boy out. Make sure to drop it on the floor. That's important.